Good day, everyone. So I want us to learn and study what happened on USDCAD throughout last week. Why we keep having sell. So I'm going to take this move that happened last week off. I'm going to take this move off. Let me take it off here. Yes. So let me take it off. Now I have taken it off. So why are we having sale last week and throughout this month? Why are we having sales? So we can see how last month candle close here. We can see how this candle closed. That we take, even though we have most same breakout here. If you move to the line chart, even though we have our most same breakout here to the upside, even though we have our most same breakout here to the upside, stop it now. So even though we have our most same breakout here to the upside, so what can we find on our candle? Pay attention to the candle on higher time frame. So what can we find here? So we can see that this high of this candle has been taken, even though we are in bullish trend currently, even though we have a Muslim breakout to the upside. So what can we find there? We see that this high of this candle has been taken. This low is our next target. This low, it become our next target. So even though we want to buy, then we'll be looking to buy at this area. We want to let price to come to this area, then want to buy to the upside. So now we are not looking for buy currently. Now we are looking for sell to take out this low. To take out this low after, because the high has been taken, we want price to come to this low and take it out, then play out from this key level. So now that this high has been taken, we want to target this low. Are we going to start shorting from this monthly time frame? No, we are not going to start shorting. What are we going to do? We are moving to lower time frame lower, which we are building our analysis from monthly. We want to move to weekly. Weekly must give us either liquidity sweep and a break of structure to the downside. Immediately weekly give us liquidity sweep and a break of structure to the downside. That will confirm that we want to sell this guy, because if weekly did not give us breakout to the downside, that means this is not valid. So now we want to move to weekly. We want to check what weekly is doing. Maybe weekly will give us a Muslim breakout to the downside or break of structure. So what can we find on weekly here? Let me take this guy out. So what can we find on weekly here? We can see that after weekly swept this previous structure high, then move to the line charts. You can see weekly breakout to break to structural point, because this is four structural point, one structure, two break to structural point to the downside. So now weekly have confirmed our monthly time frame that we are bearish, because monthly swept previous week monthly candle high. We are aiming for the low. Then weekly give us a breakout to the downside. That means weekly have confirmed that our bearish storylines have started. So now we are looking to buy. Where are we looking to buy from? We are looking to buy from this. We are looking to buy from this V-shaped key level. Why? Because this V-shaped key level sponsor this buy to the upside before it got disrespected to the downside. All right. So we are looking to buy from this V-shaped key level, and we are also looking to buy from this open close key level. These are the two levels that we are looking to buy from. To sell from. Sorry, we are looking to sell from this open close key level, because this open close key level also sponsor buy to the upside. Then before it got disrespected to the downside. We are looking to buy from this two key level. Now let's play price. We want to play price. Price have come to that level. Let's see. Yeah, price tap into that. Can you see what weekly also did? Now we are going to take this first candle out. Yes, we are now going to play with this second one, because this is the last key level that price come to. So what can we find here? It's very clearly weekly now tap into this level, reject and close below. Weekly reject and close below. Now we are now moving to daily. We want to see exactly what we are looking for on weekly before. when monthly swept monthly previous candle high, we are looking for weekly to break out to the downside. So now weekly have reject weekly from this key level. So we are looking for daily to give us we are looking for this candle that reject this particular candle to give us a breakout to the downside. Once price give us a breakout to the downside on daily, we know our daily is aligned. Our daily is aligned with our weekly and our monthly. So now let's move to daily to look for our most recent breakout to the downside. What can you find on daily? Let me move to line chart for you. You can see it very clearly. You can see that we have breakouts here. Even though it's small breakout, we have breakout is breakout. We have breakout here to the downside. So now daily have confirmed that weekly are in line. Weekly are in line. Weekly, daily, monthly are in line. Now we want to play with our 4 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes. So now let's play price. We want to sell from that particular place this particular place I marked off. What can you find here? You can see that the first candle tap into that level, reject and close below. What can you see what the next candle did? The next candle come back, swept the previous candle high. Can you see? We have not set our limit yet. We are still building our buyers. So we have swept this previous candle high. That means we are looking for 4 hours to give us a breakout. We are looking for 4 hours for this. As this candle swept this previous candle high, we want to see 4 hours to give us a breakout to the downside. So we can be sure that all these things are in line. We are not rushing. So now let's move to 4 hours. We want to see a breakout to the downside. So what can you find on 4 hours here? After we swept this previous 4 hour, you can also see that it's structure high. Can you see? Swept that high of that structure, but price closed below. You can see price swept the high of this structure, but this candle closed below. Immediately this candle closed below, then we have a breakout to the downside. If you move to the line chart, you can see. So we break out here to the downside. So immediately we break out here to the downside. That means monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, everything are in line with each other. So all our time frame are in line. They are showing sell. Are we going to look for buy? No, we are looking for sell now because everything is showing sell. So what are we going to do next now? What can we find? After we have this most recent breakout, the next candle come to this V-shaped key level that got disrespected to the downside. Tap into it, reject and close below. You can see it didn't close with body, close, reject and close below. Now we are moving to 1 hour. We want to see a breakout to the downside or a break of structure. So 1 hour can also confirm that okay, we are in line with each other. So now let's move to 1 hour. So what can we find on 1 hour? 1 hour did not give us anything yet. So we are just going to be waiting now. Let's play price until 1 hour give us a breakout or a break of structure. That is what we want to see. 1 hour have give us a breakout. Can you see? 1 hour have give us a breakout. Why are you rushing? So 1 hour have give us a breakout now. So 1 hour give us a breakout here because this is the last V-shaped key level that price created. You can see this is the last V-shaped level that price created. And what make it sweet? This V-shaped level sponsored this small candle buys before it got disrespected. And what can you find there again? You can find there again that internal range liquidity is resting close to that key level. So are we going to set our limit on 1 hour? Let's set our limit first on 1 hour. Let's set our limit. I want to set our limit on 1 hour. Then we'll target this low first because 1 hour have given us liquidity breakouts and an inducement very close to our key level. This is how we can. Let's see. Let's set our limit. Bam. Trigger. Jesus is Lord. God help us. Boom. Can you see? This is first TP on USDCAD. Now, let me take this guy off. Let's say you are still more confused about here, that you don't want to sell from here direct. You are still scared. Let me still show you another one on 15 minutes. Let's say price have created something like this. Now let's play price. Yes, price have come to that level. Daily price come to that level. We are moving to 15 minutes. We want to see a breakout on 15 minutes. Then we are setting our limit. Just a breakout. That's what we are looking for on 15 minutes. No breakout yet. Let's play price. No breakout yet. Want to see a breakout to the downside on 15 minutes. Want to see a breakout. Boom. No price have breakout. Can you see price have breakout here? Price have break this last V-shaped key level that sponsor buys to the upside. You can see last V-shaped key level. You can see V-shaped key level that sponsor this buy to the upside. If you move to the line chart, you can see that is last V-shape. Okay, this price break two structural points to the downside. You can see price breaks to structure. So this is where we want to sell from now, and this is where we want to set our limit. Let's say you are scared about that 1 hour. So now let's play price. That's where we want to set our limit. Yes. Now, what can we find here? Inducement liquidity is resting close to that level. And you can also see very clear that this level is overlapping inside of an imbalance here. You can see. You can see. Oh, sorry, mistake. Yes. So you can see that this level is overlapping inside of an imbalance. You can see imbalance here. That price needs to rebalance. You can see imbalance here. That price needs to rebalance. So you can see that price need to rebalance that imbalance at that specific pricing level. So now let's set our limit. We want to set our limit here because this is where we want to sell from. This is where we want to sell from. Then our stop loss will be above this last high here. Then we target this low. We are targeting this low. We are targeting this low. This 8RR. So now let's play price. Price trigger. Price trigger. Boom. Can you see? TP it. All because of what? You build your bias from monthly time frame. So if you are watching this video, just make sure you come back. You are struggling how to build your bias and how to get your entry right. This video will guide you through. Don't forget where we build our bias from. We build our bias from monthly time frame down to weekly. Weekly is aligned with monthly first. Then we build our bias from weekly down to daily. Daily is aligned, aligns. Then daily, weekly is aligned. We build plus 4 hour. 4 hour is also aligned. Plus 1 hour. Even plus 15 minutes. Can you see? Our entry is on 1 hour and 15 minutes. We didn't take entry on 4 hour. It's not that we can't take entry on 4 hour. But we want 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. That four time frame should be aligned. Then 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes is our entry model. If you move to 30 minutes, you see that your entry model will also show. What can you find? You can see a breakout to the upside, a breakout to the downside. That is the instrument. Can you see? The instrument is also resting close to that V-shaped key level that sponsor buy to the upside before it got disrespected to the downside. And liquidity is resting close to it. Price tap into it. Then we have heavy drop to the downside. So that is it. So if you are watching this video, please like, share to others that need to, other trader, because many traders need to see this and learn from it. Two things I've said several times. 2 things you are going to learn from this video: how to build your bias and entry model. Everything become easier. Okay, please repost, share and like. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye.